Did you know that Canva has hidden apps that can make your designs look more creative and professional? In this video, I'm going to show you 5 powerful Canva apps that can instantly upgrade your designs. We'll explore Text Studio for amazing text effects, Image Blender for combining images creatively, Easy Reflections for realistic reflection effects, Slice for stylish cut designs, and Type Warp for curved and dynamic text styles. If you want to level up your Canva skills and discover tools that many beginners don't know yet, then keep watching. First, the very first app I'm going to show you is Text Studio. Now, on the left side, go ahead and click Apps, then head over to the search bar and type Text Studio Maker. Once you're inside, you'll see 3 sections: Trending, New, and Favorites. And trust me, there are a lot of text design styles you can choose from here. In the text box, simply type the word or text you want to design based on your chosen style. Then click Add to Design, and it will automatically appear on your editing page. Now, let's try another text style. At the bottom, you can choose different fonts depending on the theme you're going for. Quick tip: when adding text, make sure it's always visible and easy to read. What's great about Text Studio Maker is that you're not limited to just 1 or 2 styles. There are always new text design updates coming in. Quick tip: don't just pick a design because it looks cool. Make sure it matches your overall theme or message so your design looks more professional. If you want your design to stand out, experiment with different styles here. Sometimes the best result comes from trying unexpected combinations. In this part, you can also edit the letter spacing or line height, especially if you're working with double line text. Next, the second app I'll show you is Image Blender. Before anything else, make sure to upload your image first. Then go to Apps and search for Image Blender. Now, click on your image so the tools become active and visible. As you can see, you can move this line with dots. This controls the area where the blending effect will be applied. On the left side, you can adjust the strength depending on how strong you want the blend to be. Here's a pro tip: start with low strength first, then slowly increase it so you don't overblend your image. Don't be afraid to experiment. Different blend placements can give you totally different creative results. Once you're happy with the result, just click Save at the bottom. To make the blending effect more visible, I'll add a sample background. For example, I'll choose a dark background so the blended image stands out more. Try using darker or contrasting backgrounds so the blended effect becomes more visible. If you want a more advanced look, combine this with other effects like shadows or overlays. Moving on, the third app is Easy Reflection. Just search for Image Reflection or Easy Reflection in the Apps section, then click the logo. After that, click Open at the bottom. Now, we need to add our subject image to the editing page first. As you can see, there are 4 position options you can choose from. Once you've selected a position, you can adjust the offset and opacity of your image. Pro tip: lower the opacity for a more realistic reflection effect. When everything looks good, just click Add to Design. Choose a reflection position that matches your layout so your design looks balanced and clean. Try adjusting the offset slightly so the reflection doesn't stick too close. It creates a more natural look. If you want your main subject to stand out, keep the reflection subtle and not too distracting. You can also use reflections to create a mirror or glass effect perfect for modern designs. Small tweaks like this can instantly make your design look more professional, so don't skip this step. In this part, I tried applying it to the earlier sample. Then go to Position so you can easily arrange the layers of your images. Now let's try placing the reflection on the right side to balance the design. Tip: if you want your main subject to stand out more, you can reduce the transparency of the reflection. Next, the app I'll show you is Slice. Just click the logo and you'll see different options like chipped, sliced, minced, and torn. At the bottom, you'll find more settings to help you get a better result, like offset, count, and position. Start with a small offset first, then increase it gradually to avoid overdoing the effect. Be careful with the count. Too many slices can make your design look messy instead of creative. Once you're satisfied with your design, just click Save and it will automatically appear on your editing page. Finally, the last app I'll show you is Type Warp. Click the logo, then hit Accept. Here, you'll see a lot of style options for your text. In the text box, simply type the word you want to design, for example, technology. Next, you can choose your font based on your design theme. Keep your text short and simple. Warp effects work best with fewer words. Then go to color. You can use the default solid colors or click the plus button to pick your own custom color. After that, you can choose from different shapes. Each shape comes with its own style, like perspective or wave effects. Use bold and clean fonts so the warp effect stays readable even after distortion. Choose colors with strong contrast so your text stands out more, especially with curved styles. Don't over-adjust the shape or height. Subtle changes usually look more professional. At the bottom, you can also adjust the height. Once everything looks perfect, just click Add to Design. If you learned something from this video, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to my channel so you stay updated with more tutorials like this. See you in my next video.